Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video. I guess I'm gonna roll with these topic videos, and if you have something you want to talk about, please leave it down in the comment section below. But before we get into the topic of this video, I wanted to let you guys know what I'm drawing. I'm drawing some OCs of mine for a comic that I'm writing. We'll see if it actually gets, done. And the purple-haired babe is Maximilian, also known as Max. And my second drawing, because there are two drawings in this video, that is Josh, and they're supposed to be best friends in the story. So anyway, today I wanted to talk about art style. In particular, my quote-unquote art style. If you don't know what art style is, it's basically the way you draw that if noticed by other people, they know it's your art. So it's basically a style, or your style. Reaching that point of knowing that your art has a style depends on every person. It may take longer for some people, it may take other people's, not as long as you, but it all varies. And when you go around searching how to get an art style, how to find my art style, or something of that nature, everybody basically tells you to take things from other artists and apply it to your work, but never to fully copy the work that you see. For me, if I'm being honest, I've struggled with my art style over the years, and I feel like I don't have anything consistent or definitive yet. But if you were to put some of my work together, it does look a little cohesive, but I just feel that it doesn't all match up, So I just feel like anytime I draw, it always looks different, and that's not a bad thing either. If you're trying to get a job, people like the diversity you have if you can draw different styles to match what they're going for. But not everybody's trying to work for big companies, and a lot of people like myself want to do freelance work, so yeah. I feel like when artists first start, they're so worried about style, and a lot of their stuff is stiff because they worry more on the style than the fundamentals. I could be wrong, but this is what I've noticed over the years and what I've done too. I remember in high school, I was tired of the anime art, so I went cartoony, and that's how I made my OC cipher. I liked the style, but it was still hard for me to just stick with it, so I went back and forth between the anime and cartoony style for a while. And I ended up abandoning the style because I wasn't really feeling it. And when I do that, I end up doing chibis because that is my comfort zone. And I'm kind of in that predicament now because, I love doing me some chibi art, and that is my comfort zone when I really don't know what to draw or don't know what style to draw in. But anyway, I came back to the cartoony style because I saw this artist on YouTube, and she did really long, thin necks. And I love the aesthetic so much. I tried it out, and it worked for me. Like, it clicked automatically. It was like that cartoony style, but it just gave it more life, I also needed to have a simple style for my illustration class in college, and that style just worked for me when I was doing it in Adobe Illustrator. So everything kind of just fell into place with that specific style. I was not sure where I was going with this, but I think I wanted to say that I guess I have a couple art styles, though some of them need work. I have a regular anime style that just changes all the time. Then my chibis, which are its own, they're their own thing. And finally, I have my cartoony long neck style, which the necks aren't crazy long, but their heads are super big compared to their necks, and the necks are, you know, way thinner than what they usually would be. Lastly, I wanted to say, don't worry too much about art style, it'll come with time. I've been doing art since 2008, but I didn't take it seriously until 2011, 2012, which was like sometime in high school. And I still don't feel like I have anything solid, but I'm still working on it, and you guys should too. Don't get discouraged. We're on this journey together. You know, it always feels nice knowing that you're not the only person going through this. So, you know, just don't forget that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the PenguinEsk channel. We do artsy videos here every Friday. Like this video and comment down below if you have any suggestions on my next artsy topic video, I guess. And I hope this, you know, helped you. I hope you enjoyed this. But yeah. Bye guys.